special gift for you.
Oh, sure thing, but I don't get my homework or something. Wait for me!
What are you doing? Oh, sir, you'll pay for this, you fool!
I'm not really interested.
Do you want to be my new queenie?
I think you guys need to calm down.
We could never stop loving you.
Gifts are unnecessary, but then...
Marry me!
Watch
Watch
out! Stop doing this! Chill with me, man!
She's royalty, so do I. Desist!
This can only mean one thing.
Bring it on! Shut
Shut up, man!
She's mine!
We'll see!
Gonna hurt each other. What are you doing?
Dance with me, stop!
Stop!
Sir, a perfect chance to escape.
Robin's kidding! Princess, wait a minute!
She left! But I was fighting for
You
her
kidding?
love.
Without a doubt, it was all your fault!
Do you want some more?
Let's finish this!
Why,
You
you
little...
Seems like they've been fighting for a while. Perfect occasion for me to escape from here. What now?
I just wanted to say hi.
You're sweet as a lollipop, but I'm made of candy. I cannot take it.
Not a clever gift. But I love to taste your sugar lips anyway.
Why is everyone harassing me? Ah!
Princess?
Such a bitter day. I'm so sorry.